In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Suno AI song in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned music editor or someone trying this for the first time, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through Suno's platform efficiently. First, let's start by logging into your Suno account. This initial step is crucial because it gives you access to your music library where all your AI-generated songs are stored. Once you're successfully logged in, take a moment to locate the specific song you wish to edit. Your library should be laid out clearly, making it easy to scroll through and find what you need. After you've found your song, you'll notice a triple dot icon next to it. This is the More Actions menu button, a useful tool for managing options related to your track. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down list of actions you can perform. To begin editing, select either Edit or Open in Studio from this menu. Each choice leads you to Suno's editing interface, where you'll find a variety of tools at your disposal. Once inside the editor, there are several actions you can perform to customize your song. These options are designed to give you creative control over various elements of your track. For instance, you can edit the lyrics, which might involve rewriting sections to better fit your artistic vision. You also have the option to crop the song, an invaluable feature for cutting it down to the perfect length. In addition, you can replace sections of the song or rearrange its structure altogether. Maybe the intro needs to be extended or a chorus adjusted to hit harder. The editor lets you do just that, with flexibility in how you rearrange the parts to fit your desired flow. Beyond structural changes, Suno allows you to dive deeper into the track's production. You can adjust the volume and panning to fine-tune how each element sits within the mix. If you're looking to increase tension or energy, you may choose to adjust the beats per minute, or BPM. Moreover, for those who wish to explore even broader alterations, there's an option to extract stems, which allows you to delve into the song's individual instrumental and vocal tracks. Now, it's worth noting that some of these advanced features, like extending a song or intricate adjustments, might require upgrading your account to a pro or premium plan. These plans offer more extensive editing capabilities, providing a robust toolkit for serious creators. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can start crafting your next hit on Suno AI. I hope this guide has made the editing process clearer and more approachable for you. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.